Meaning of doublet.
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 Doublet. The term doublet has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, a doublet refers to a pair of things that are closely related, such as a pair of identical or similar letters or words. In fashion, a doublet is a close-fitting jacket worn by men in the 16th and 17th centuries. In gemology, a doublet is a composite stone that is made up of two different pieces of gemstone materials. Therefore, the meaning of doublet can vary based on the field in which it is used.